So you've got tinnitus and you don't know what to do. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with the Line Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages from their health to live amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. I get asked this question often. I've got ringing in my ears or a buzzing in my ears. What should I do about it, or what can I do about it? You know, there's several different causes of what can cause you to have tinnitus. There can be difficulties with the auditory nerve. There can be difficulties with the structures within your ear. There can be problems with the processing of that. There can be problems with the connections within your brain and your spinal cord. All of these can wind up causing problems with tinnitus or hearing. However, there are some things you may be able to do at home. So one of the things that I like to do is make sure that the eustachian tubes, so these are tubes that go from the inner ear into your throat, are draining nice and well. So sometimes what you could do is gargle with some salt water. That means just putting water and filling it up with some salt, mixing it up real good, putting it in your mouth and going ah. Just moving the water around in the back of your throat will wind up helping to create a little bit of an anesthetic around where the eustachian tube, the tube that goes from your throat to your ears, connects, so that you may be able to break up any disconnect that's going on there so the pressures can balance out. This has been really powerful, and I know that my mom and my grandma used to have me do this whenever I felt like I was having a sore throat or having pain in the ear. Another thing that you want to do is make sure that you're using or having some background sound that's going on. This is sometimes called acoustic therapy, and it can be used to help constantly stimulate that auditory nerve so that you don't hear the ringing. Having a background sound could just help filter that out so that you're not having problems with it. Now, for me, one of the things that I always make sure to do with people is to look at their posture. Many of the cases that have come in of people having problems with tinnitus, I notice that their posture is very deviated from normal. And when your posture becomes off from normal, the spinal cord gets stretched, so does the brainstem, and the areas that those cranial nerves feed into the brain. These are three things that you've got to do to make sure that you have checked if you're having problems with tinnitus, and you got to get them addressed to make sure that they move forward. If you've got questions about tinnitus, go ahead and write them down below. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.